Okay, we've got an Enco 16-speed drill press. It's model ZJ4116, and it's been banged up a little bit, as you can see. A little bit dented and bent up here. May have gotten nicked up a little bit here, but it does not appear to affect the belt or the operation. It's possible that they did run it for a little bit. It looks like it was maybe run for a second just for them to test and see that it was bent. I just bent it back a little bit. Straighten this out a little bit. These covers straighten out, and it runs smoothly. A couple other little nicks and scratches maybe, but it appears to be otherwise great condition. Banged up in the capacitor a little maybe. Sold as is.